This is the application called Highlight Covers. The link is in the description box below, so do check it out. Open the application and you can see a variety of templates. So you may either choose one among them or go for and create a new one. Let me tap here. So I will get a new template right here and tap in there to change the background. I'm going to give a very solid background. You may choose marbles or any other stuff right there. Click there and you can change the image of it. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. Okay. Now on the behind you can see there's a little bit frame and circle. You may change it, but I'm going to give an outline, this one, and change its color to black. That's it. Cool. What's next is to save this album to your save this image to your album. Now let's go back and try another one. Right there you can see this one. Okay, tap here so that you can actually add a text to your image or your highlight covers. I'm going to add fitness. You may choose according to your niche, whatever thing you want to add it. Now let's try something creative by adding an image and keeping on it and also stuff relating to it. You may do varieties of things and give your most and use creativity and develop the inner spark. Okay, so let me choose a different background like this one and resize it also. Okay, so now it's done. It's the time to upload this particular highlight, and you can see a variety of highlight covers are available. So tap here and tap on the three dots. You will find edit highlight. Tap there, then edit cover. Go to your gallery and choose the image. Okay, this is the recent image we created, so choose that one, resize it, and whatever thing you can do next. Okay, make sure it's your image itself done loading, and it's done. Okay, what to do if you want to add a new highlight cover, an entirely new story highlight one. So tap here and add the stories that you want to add to this highlight next, and choose there your image that you want to actually upload. Once you're done, do the same things. I'm not going to show it right now, just do it. Okay. Hey mobile content creators, you're watching Social Wizard, and this is your platform to master mobile content creation. Stay connected by subscribing to our channel.